I built this entire app for free with no ChatGPT Plus, no Claude subscription, not even a single dollar on APIs. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. A few days ago, AI Quality dropped something called GLM 5.1, a new model. And it's almost nobody is talking about it. The API is completely free right now, no limits, no paywalls, and it's powerful enough to compete with tools like Claude and GPT, especially for building the real applications. Most people saw this and just used it like a chatbot, but I wanted to push it to further and see if I could actually build something real from scratch. So let's get started. Let's see how it goes. All right, the first thing that you got to do is I'll just give you the link in the description. Just open this link and you'll be on this page. This is where you are going to get the API key of the GLM 5.1. So first thing, once you're on this page, you are going to create an account in the modal research. Once you're done with creating the account, and then you will be here, and this is where we have to copy this line here, and then we're going to creating the token. So for this thing, we have to open the VS Code. For those of you who don't have the VS Code, install it. Just go to Google and write VS Code and download that, right? And it will take you to the download option here, and you have to download as per your machine. If you have Windows, you have Mac, you can do that same thing. So once you are done with this, install the VS Code, and then you will be on this page. Okay, here you have to click on this one. It says extensions. Click on it and write client. Okay. Once you write client, and it will just give you the client application here. Just click on it, and then you have to install it. Once you are installing this, once it's done, it will come up here directly. You can see it's done. So here it says client. Perfect. Then here it will be on this page basically. Okay. So I will just delete all of these things because I have been already using this, so don't worry about that. So here in API provider, because this is the first thing that you will see when you install it. So this here will be the first thing you have to click on, and then you will be selecting the OpenAI compatible. Okay, and then you go back to the browser, you go back to this and copy this HTTP till v1. Copy this and go back to client, this VS Code, drop the base URL. Now we need the API key. Okay, so API key, we can simply click on here, create token. Click on it, give it a name, like say GLM. Okay, and then it will give you the API key. Just copy this and drop it in here, and then we need a model ID. That's gonna be this one, zai.this.org.fpa, something like that. Just copy that one as well. Okay, and then just drop it in here. Perfect, that's it. And then after that, you're just clicking on the done. Once you do that, you will be here, and then you will say simply hello, like just to testing out like how is it working or not. Okay, let's hit enter, and you can see we have the context window of 128K here. This is our context window, and then after that it's going to start working, and then you're going to get the answer from this so that you can understand that it is working. So we are not going to do only this thing, we are going to build something. Like I said, we're going to be building a simple application using this model, which is currently free as of now, to test it out. So let's see how capable is it to build something actually. Okay, so as of now, this is our this is the answer to our question. It says, hello, I can see you have a lead qualifier project with this and this. So how can I help you today? So that means it's working. The API is working perfectly fine, right? So now I have a prompt, which I'm going to drop it in here to download, to basically build this complete app I showed you at the first place. And that's something that it can work. It can just make on, it can just build it for free. Okay, so I have this prompt in here from Claude. I just generated the prompt on Claude. This is the complete prompt on Claude. I'm going to copy it directly and paste it here directly and start. I will just simply hit enter. That's it. So it's going to take time because it's a complete one-shot prompt. It's going to build the entire thing. So once it's finished, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll get back to you. Alright, the task has been completely finished, and you can see the task has been completed. It has built the home page, 3 questions, loading screen, result screen, and the logic and stuff like that. Okay, and it's a design implementation. So let's simply go ahead and open this file and see how does this work. So you can click on this one, the folders, this is the index file that it has created, one chart file. Right click anywhere and then click on open with live server. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to the browser to open this specific file directly on the browser. So as you can see, this is the AI powered the lead qualifier basically. So let's test it out. So let's fill in these details. So your business type, I'll say like AI automation agency, and then let's see, get my score. It's asking us like what's the monthly revenue. Let's select this, anyone under 5k or 5k to 20,000. And then I would say biggest current challenge, I think it's gonna be getting leads. That's the most important, the only thing that the companies are struggling about. How soon are you looking for? I think let's just say within a month. And it's analyzing your business, and then it's gonna give you the score that how effective, how well, basically this is something I was just trying to make using this GLM to testing out the coding capabilities. But now let's just improve this, because this doesn't have any home page or like some kind of hero section. So let's build those things as well, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Alright, so this is the final one, the final complete landing page it has built. I just gave it a prompt to do that, and my prompt was very simple: build me the complete landing page with these sections. Anyway, so this is how it looks. So this has a complete hero section, and then we have the process, how it works and stuff section. Then we have the features, where we have like these features. It has complete animation and stuff. Then we have this trusted by, this is this testimonial. We have a good testimonial design as well. I like it's looking very premium, black and this blue green theme is like crazy, looking crazy. So these are the pricing sections for us. I mean, and it has built, and this is the complete footer. And I'll show you one more thing. If I click on these nav bars, this menu, it takes me there. If I click on features, takes me there. So that means it's working perfectly fine. The logo click is perfectly working fine. If I click on get started, it's going to take me there to asking me the questions about the lead score. Let's just give it some random answers, and this is the lead score qualification. Yeah, I think it's working perfectly fine. And yeah, and one more thing is this, since it's a free one as of now, and I've just got like this has been done using the complete GLM 5.1 for free, and this is a good model. I think it can compete with the Claude code as well, right? And maybe like Gemini 3.1 Pro as well, because I like the design. Mostly this type of design is built by the Claude code. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think let's just wrap it up. And if you guys like the video, please drop a like and share. Also comment in the comment section if you feel like this is something that you guys can try, or just comment and tell me something that you guys are going to build using GLM 5. What is that thing? So let's see. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.